Hi everyone, my name is Avish. I'm a technical sales engineer here at ZoomCharts, and in this video I'm going to showcase to you how to activate all the advanced visuals by using custom themes. So it's rather simple to do. What you need to do is open up a browser, go to zoomcharts.com, open up the advanced visuals section, sign into your account. So I'm just clicking login. And now when you're in your dashboard, you're going to see this download custom theme. This is what you need to click on in order to download the JSON file, which is the custom theme file. So once that is done, we go back to Power BI and import a custom theme from this menu right here. So we click on it. We now go to Downloads, import the file that we just downloaded, and voila! Everything has been activated and you don't have to worry about license key and hash anymore. Every single time you create a new visual, so for example, let's just delete this one and add a new donut visual with postal codes and some value field. And as you can see in the formatting options right now, the paid features are turned on and the license key and hash have already been inputted in there. So by doing this method, there are few limitations that you need to take into consideration. So first tip in order to do this is import a custom theme before you create any visuals within that report. Because what's going to happen is you can activate all the advanced visuals as long as you haven't touched these license key and hash fields. If you have made any adjustments manually, the Power BI is going to consider these fields to be specifically adjusted to what you want them to be, and it's not going to allow you to override the default value. So what's going to happen, for example, let's just showcase this example right here. So right here in the license key and hash fields, you can see I have written test. And even though I import a custom theme on top of the report, these values are not going to be overwritten. So this is what denies you from enabling the visuals. In those cases where, for example, you already have a custom theme for your organization or just a regular custom theme that you like to use, you can always update it with the necessary lines. If that's not an option for you or you just don't feel comfortable with it, you can always reach out to us and we'll update the theme for you. So everything works as expected, and if any other issues occur, we can support you on that. So thanks for watching this short video. I hope it helped, and if you have any more questions, feel free to reach out to us.